The open
of Nemo.
Where's my dad?
Where's my dad? Where's my dad?
The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Today's the day! Oh, look at all the visitors who came to see us all.
Yeah, out of the fun!
I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here.
Well, why don't you tell me?
I tell the best. Oh, I got to the best guy. I know the story like the back of our hand. Listen up! These travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started...
Oh, and more like Apple's hanging for you.
No, it's when they found that bag.
No, it's when they escaped those sharks that weren't scary. No. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Nemo!
Dad! It's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Come on!
Okay.
Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I made a magic shark when I'm in school?
No,
Or an angelfish? Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming round the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
And that's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad,
No,
you
you
know what sea turtles are?
sea turtles? If I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. Just a little fish
Dad,
in the big blue world. Did we see this tasty dish?
no.
So much to me. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world. If something should happen to you,
No need to worry, Dad. I'll be okay.
I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. Turn right around. We could wait one more year.
Don't be so boring, Dad. I belong here. Wow! Isn't it good?
Oh,
Come on, Dad.
my fin. Oh,
Wow. Wow.
I'm Nemo.
He's got a little fin. Oh, we call it just Lucky Fin. If he gets tired, we'll give you a break. 10,
He'll be all right. Let's go, explorers. Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
Be ready to go.
Hi, Dad.
Please be safe.
First stop, the drop-off.
The drop off. up, Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you.
La 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 la. Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
We're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait! We already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There's something wrong with you, really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo. Hello.
Well, hi. I'm Dory, and this is...
No, you don't need to know.
I'd like to invite you for to a little party I have.
What you bring for us, mate?
Twist, darling. Couple of thanks to boys. Right, prayer meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends. Fish are friends. No fear. We have your sharks here.
We're nice sharks underneath.
We know that fish are friends, not free. Well, sometimes when I'm sure we don't let you hurt,
But we have self-control.
we know that fish are friends, not free. Well, I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of life in the ocean will lead to emotional eating.
Yes, it will.
You need help getting through it. And help just won't do it. Don't start reading.
Swim the needed.
Hey, sweet save the light. Each day we fight the fight to cover every night and change our rating. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
No, fish are friends, not food.
Hey, look, balloons! It is a party!
All I need is two stones. You wouldn't want my daily trouble.
Ow! Ooh, Al, you really clocked me there.
I'm sorry. Hey, is your nose bleeding?
Oh, that's good.
Intervention! Scream and fish are friends, not food. Ask the Walt the tiger who took my son. Hey, what are these markings mean? I can read human.
Stop it! It's not the same as escape.
Or you can read. Read the mask. Uh-oh. Happy thoughts.
Woo! That was good.
This is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist. Now, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Is this
She's a fish killer. She shakes the bag.
No, you weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid. You'll get back to your dad.
when does he sing? Where's
I'm
my
watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
Oh, here.
But I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, kiddo.
But this time we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah,
We swim in harmony.
and we started into
with a fish about ocean beneath. Sharkbait, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Father's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will. If we do this the way we do everything else. Together, we will together. Your eyes begin to break and free. If we all join hands, everybody gets and we'll swim together. Deep in open sea. So what's your name, kid?
I'm Nemo.
Our escape plan was set.
Yeah, too bad it didn't.
Not going anywhere. Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming. What do?
We swim.
Right. La 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 la
Now that song is gonna be stuck in my head.
Look, there's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
These stories trying to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mast.
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
We follow our guts. Just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. See? Just keep swimming. Your tail, and sure enough, we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, but then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on. To
Oh, hello there.
Wallaby Way, Sydney.
My son, what part of the
Wallaby
My
Way,
son was
Sydney.
taking me.
Wallaby Way, please, Wallaby Way.
Oh, no, Dory.
Is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember, were you?
No, you guys
Now, I'm talking to the lady.
Aw, go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Watch one of those flowers. That's the east side train carpets. It's in that name. And then it'll bring you a long right hand.
Just Sydney. Some Marlin and Dory were headed for the
EAC. If only we knew. Because back at the tank, Nemo was losing hope that his dad was even out there at home.
My dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. No, my dad.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was
Wow.
awesome.
That's awesome.
You traveled far.
You must be swimming under a lucky star.
Yeah.
You're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the icy with me. Go with the flow. Go with the Don't be a high strong fellow, pickpocket, keep it mellow. spree.
Excuse me, Mr. Turtle.
Oh, to you, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Don't 360 skirt. Check this out. Whoa, whoa.
Oh my goodness!
Why don't you take it slow? Let us see how Squirt does flying so. You said totally wrong, Squirt. You're such an amazing kid.
Children hugs.
It's awesome. Their eggs on a beach, then cuckoo. They find their own way back to the big old blue.
All like themselves, but what if they're already? I mean, how do you know?
Well, you never really know. What if they're ever gonna grow? And you gotta let them go. You know, just go with the flow. Go with the
He's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so all the fish in the ocean. There's help me!
Everybody jump in!
Nemo! We're too late.
I'm so sorry.
It's over. We must go on. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Tori, if it wasn't for you, I never would have even made it here. So I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
50. Whoa! So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together. Then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it 3?
So Nemo and his dad were finally reunited, and in spite of Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out on the tank on the Plastic Bag Express. That's how we ended up here. Yeah.
Oh, I just love a happy ending! But wait! What happened when we got back home to the reef?
It is release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Yeah!
Well, catch you later, folks. We've got a date with the big blue.
Whoa. Wow.
Time for school!
Now let me get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done.
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure.
Nemo.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
Yay, we love you, Nemo! Nemo, Nemo! Woo! Yay! Woo! Yay! Clap for them! Woo! Good job, Nemo!